After the mobile phone maker banned Huawei in the US, the company suffered huge losses due to a lack of chips. After mobile, the company is engaged in manufacturing electric vehicles. As the tech giant expands into the electric vehicle market, a famous Chinese smartphone manufacturer, Huawei, has launched its second car officially in the international market. The company introduced the Aito M5 plug-in hybrid SUV in the Chinese market. It runs both on gas and electric power. Aito M5 is the first luxury electric SUV developed by Huawei and another Chinese brand called Sears, which is a part of Chongqing Sokon. The SUV also includes the HarmonyOS operating system from the Chinese tech giant Huawei. Huawei has stated that more than 6,000 units have been booked in the 5 days since the car was unveiled. The Huawei Aito M5 SUV has a length of 4.77 meters and a wheelbase of 2.88 meters. Huawei Aito M5 design is inspired by the Porsche Macan, as its appearance has several similarities. The large and ragged headlights, prominent wheel arches for the alloy wheels, and rear light clusters that occupy the entire tailgate distinguish the SUV from the front. The overall design looks very promising. The Aito M5 is powered by 1 or 2 electric motors depending on the version. A rear-wheel drive version with 204 HP maximum power and a 4-wheel drive version with 224 full HP power. The 4-wheel drive system has a total output of 428 horsepower. The Huawei Aito M5 also has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 125 horsepower, but it only serves as a generator to charge the 40 kWh battery pack. According to the company, the SUV has a total range of 1,195 kilometers. It also claims that the SUV can go from 0 to 100 kmph in 4.4 seconds. The company claims that the combined range of this car is full-tank petrol, giving 1,200 km mileage. The interior of the M5 is also quite large. It comes with a 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system, 2K HDR infotainment display that runs Huawei's operating system. The display interface is powered by the HarmonyOS system, with options for split-screen 3D face recognition, unlocking the car with an NFC chip and a Huawei watch, and automatic Huawei ID login. As a safety feature, the company has also installed a camera on the left pillar of the windshield to monitor the driver's alertness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.